Hey guys, I want to show you a few things on how I'm able to work at home. Wearing slippers, getting up when I want, going to bed when I want. It don't matter if it's raining or snowing outside. I can just sit here nice and cozy with a hot chocolate, or if it's summertime, maybe a nice cold iced tea. I love working at home. It's awesome. I'm my own boss. So if I don't like myself, I have only myself to blame if I don't like my work environment. But when I get up, I kind of like myself most of the time. Are you the type of person that can't stand yourself and you still don't know why? You're just like, oh, I'm just sick of myself. Well, there's nothing better than staying home and not liking yourself on your own terms. If you don't like your haircut or the way you dress or talk, or maybe you're missing half your teeth, just pull the rest out and talk like this. But anyway, it's nice. Sometimes it's nice having a boss or going to work and going to the water cooler and just having a social thing going on and maybe going to lunch with a lot of your coworkers. But I'm 59 now. I'm almost 60, and I like the solitude. I like listening to music in the background. I like to have my own bathroom. Just go downstairs and there's a nice old kitchen with a bunch of cool things I can put in my guts. But I really am a big fan of working when I want and making money and being able to pay all my bills on my home payment, my heating, my electricity, my insurance, vehicles. All right. Yes, I got to pay for my darn cell phone access and stream all those cool shows. I love Paramount Plus because of Taylor with what? Tulsa King, Landman, Lioness, Mara Kingstown, Yellowstone. Man, I love all those TV series. And it's fun if if it's like noon or one and you're just kind of tired. You don't really feel like working the next couple hours. It's fun just to kick back and maybe watch something like Tulsa King. And then an hour or two goes by, have yourself a nice lunch, chicken noodle soup. I don't know, maybe a box of cereal. Who knows? Try to eat healthy. That's always a thing. But yeah, I have Pop Tarts. You bet your buns I do. And I actually put them in the microwave for 25 seconds so they're nice and gooey. Now, no one ever accused me of being a nutritionist, but I definitely know how to snack and eat working from home. Okay? I want you to look into this opportunity. It's by far my number one moneymaker. And not that it's easy, but there's nothing to ship, there's nothing to handle. All you do is just buy the courses. If you can afford one, two, three, or all four courses, great, because when you own all four, you can sell all four. And believe me, most people are going to buy all four courses. All right. Can you make 900 bucks a day? I can. And if you told me a couple of years ago, oh, you're going to make 900, how are you going to make 900 bucks a day? What do you do? Make 30, $40, $50 an hour? And I'm all, no, I just go ahead and do video. I go ahead and use videos already made, pictures, posters, banners already made. I watch sometimes live Zoom meetings with this company, but everything's recorded. And I just sit back and I just soak it in. And if I don't understand setup videos or the training, I just go ahead and watch it again. I don't have to dress up and go to college and sit next to kids that are unfortunately 40 years younger than me. Being 59, yes, I would probably be older than the professor or maybe even the teacher themselves. But I am not putting shoes on and a coat. I'm going to wear shorts and this shirt with my Walmart slippers. And right now it is December 30th of 2025. It is cold outside. I'm in Utah. It's a gorgeous day though. It's just crystal blue. It's so beautiful. And I want to go outside just for a little while and just smell the beautiful Utah mountain fresh air and come inside and maybe do a video that could be 4 minutes, 10 minutes, could be 14 seconds and upload it on YouTube, upload it on TikTok, on Facebook, Instagram. What's it called? Twitter, X. I still call it Twitter. But if you don't mind making videos like this, yeah, I'll tell you, it does seem to work. But if you're shy and you don't want to do anything related to video, don't worry about it. There's a ton of videos that are neutral. And what I mean by that, it talks about the opportunity, the education, the freedom you can have, and the money you can earn. And the videos, they are just designed to give information. And right below that video, if you upload it to YouTube or maybe you put it on your TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook uh, platforms, just have a link. And that's what I do. I bought the10kgroup.com. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just show you that real quick. Look right at the top left of your screen. Do you see right there? I just highlighted it in bright blue, didn't I? The 10kgroup.com. I like the 10K group because I like when people make $10,000 or more, because when you make 10 grand minus the tax of that, it's enough to have a badass house and a car with insurance, full tanks of gas, maybe some medical health insurance for your teeth, maybe you uh, need some new eyeballs or something. It's awesome to have enough money to where you can have a lot of apps so you can watch all your favorite movies. But this program is designed, just put in a couple hours a day. And the more money you make, and trust me, when you get that first $900 sale, you're going to watch a lot less of Yellowstone or Tulsa King or whatever the most funnest shows are. For me, they're all Taylor, what's his name? Taylor Sheridan, Tulsa King, Landman, Lioness, Mayor of Kingstown. Oh my God. I just love all of his TV shows or series. But no doubt about it, when I earn money online, it's addicting. I'll be the first to admit it. When I get an email that says you made a $900 sale, I go ahead and log into square.com. Square's free, Stripe free, PayPal, GPay. There's even Afterpay. That's where you can finance. So if something costs $100, you have 25 bucks. Well, go ahead. It's interest free. Do the 25 bucks. The next 3 months, you have 25 bucks a pop, and you own that $100 course. And guess what? Once you set up your website and get yourself your own credit card processing company, you're in business. You can sell that $100 course. And what I recommend, once you sell that $100 course, your profit's going to be like 90 bucks. Go ahead and pay off those remaining 3 months and then work on the $300 course, the 600 and the 900. Get those courses, because when you have all four for sale, believe it or not, people buy the Legacy Builders program the most from me. That's where all four courses for 900 bucks. Yes, it sounds like a lot of money, but what an investment. That 900 bucks, you get all the courses, and you need to watch the courses. It's training on how to make money online. If you have an Instagram account where you're selling, let's say, floral arrangements, maybe you have some cool t-shirts or a hat company on Amazon. Okay. Everybody seems to have social media, and you need to get good at uploading or posting things that are interesting so you can get views, likes, clicks, and you want sales. I want you to earn enough money where you can just stay at home and hang out like I do. There's just no better feeling than getting up when you want. Go to that bathroom. Guys, do you have to go to the bathroom sometimes during the night 4 or 5 times? Get up in the morning, stretch, get yourself a fresh pot of coffee. And I'll tell you what, go to your computer, upload some things, download some things, watch video on how to do some things. Get interesting, get compelling, learn how to write an ad. And if you don't have any ways or means of making video or posts or banners or posters, this company has already, they've already figured that out. Just relax, we got you covered. Just get real good at just posting and making it fun. All you got to do is just get a link. That's what I did. I bought the10kgroup.com. It goes right to this page. I want you to watch Michelle and watch this whole video. It's a ton of people that have bought these courses and are selling these courses. And you can bet your buns change their lives just like mine. Go ahead and hit that purple button. And I'll tell you, if you join, you're going to go through this whole, I guess, ecosystem. It's so friendly. There's a community of people. 54,000 people have bought these courses, and they'll help you. The company has customer service. You can view all the products you buy. Tech Done Services. If you don't want to just fill in the blank and build the website that I'm showing you right now, don't worry about it. You don't have to. You can come up with a couple bucks, and Michelle's assistant, her name is Michelle. See this website? This is your website. You can change it if you'd like, but I recommend just fill in the blanks like I did here. All right, put a picture of yourself with a giant forehead. Go ahead and write a little bio if you want. And then look at this. Just go through this whole website, please, and look at it all, because you're going to own this website. It's going to be yours. You're going to upload it. You're only going to pay 39 bucks for this website, and that is it. When you buy a course for 100 bucks, you own it, and that is it. Next year, you don't have to come up with more money. You don't have hosting fees, none of that nonsense. Guys, this website is yours. And you can alter it any way you'd like, but it all starts with buying one, two, three, or all four courses. If you have $100, great, just pay for it now. And you can also finance it. All right. If you have $300, get the $300 course because now you own the $100 course too. You have two ways to earn money. And if you have $75, go ahead, pay the 75, get the three and the $100 course, and then pay the remaining 3 months of 75. You guys know what I'm going to say next, 600. All right. Do you have $150 now? Why not go ahead and use Afterpay? It's free. It's interest free. Okay. 600, 300, $100. You now own all three courses. And boys and girls, the big enchilada is called the Legacy Builders Program. That is all four courses. $900. Most people that come to this website, they buy the $900 course. My take home on it is $870. I use square.com. I highly recommend it. It's free. They take $30 out of the 900 to go ahead and process the card. What I do is I just log into Square, I transfer that money to my bank here in Utah, and I have that money the next day. Sometimes later that night. Free bonuses, setup, how-to videos, massive community support. You can even fly where Michelle does trainings if you'd like. I just hang at my home and make money. But yeah, you can go to any city where Michelle might be hanging out, but it's up to you if you want to be more social. But go ahead and read the bio. Just go to the bottom of the web page. You can see Michelle here. 6 kids. She is a mom. And here's her assistant. She can help you create this website. Because some people just don't want to do the techie stuff and fill in the blanks. But why don't you give Michelle here? Give her a couple bucks. She'll get this website up and running in like 20 minutes. But you got to do some effort. You got to fill in the blanks like your name. You got to buy the courses. And you got to go ahead and set up either Stripe or PayPal. Okay, GPay. But like I said, I go to square.com. It's free. Just set it up. There it is, guys. All four courses. And if you want to buy the big enchilada, just hit any of these buttons, fill in your name, email address, payment information. All right, Visa, Discover, MasterCard, American Express. This company, Square, they do it all. And like I said, if you want to go ahead and finance the 900, if you have $225, you're going to owe 3 months of $225, but you're going to own all four courses. And if someone buys a $600 course, you're going to go ahead and pocket that $600 minus a couple bucks from the credit card processing company. Okay, and all you got to do is just fill in information here. If you want to pay $900 now, you can do it on your debit card, credit card, American Express. You can use GPay, Google Pay. But go to the bottom here and you got to fill out your credit card information. But see where it says Afterpay for interest-free installments at $225? Go ahead and click this box and just fill in the blanks. It's pretty easy. This is what most people do if you're on a budget. Get all four courses now, but you need to watch all the course videos. You need to watch Michelle Monday through Friday. She's always doing live trainings with her assistants, and they're recorded. So you don't have to be a slave to the computer and just sit and go, oh, I missed a live Zoom. Don't worry about it. Everything is recorded. Okay? I find this opportunity the best way for you, yes, and I'm going to go ahead and say it, for you to make $900 a day or more. My record is selling 3 or 4 of these courses. I made like 3 to 4 grand in one day. That's my record. Because I can't stop you from either deleting, just hitting the X and moving on, trying to find a better opportunity, or you might buy the 1, 3, 6, or $900 course. I can't stop you. But all I can tell you is that if I have 10 people buying courses, I'd say 7 out of 10 buy all 4. But you can only sell what you buy. So look into it. Go to the10kgroup.com. I'm not going anywhere. This isn't half off before the new year or, oh, we're going away once we hit 60,000 members. Just take your time. And if you're going to put it on your debit or credit card, just make sure you can afford the 1, the 3, the 6, or the 900. And if you do the $900 course, you don't have to buy the 6 and the 3 and the $100 course. Okay? If you buy the $100 course, you have 30 days to go ahead and pony up a few more bucks, 500 more, to get the $600 course. Or maybe if you have the $100 course and you have 200 more bucks, you have 30 days to go ahead, come up with an additional 200 for a total of 3. That way you own the 3 in the $100 course. Do you see what I mean? You don't have to buy all 4 courses and come up with thousands of dollars. I highly recommend you get all 4 as soon as possible because once you upload this website, you can't stop people from buying 1, 2, 3, or all 4 courses. So you want to be qualified. Maximize your earning potential by having all 4 available. Okay. I went ahead and built this website. I did a video similar to this. I uploaded it to my YouTube channel, and I had a young lady about 45 minutes later buy all 4 courses. I spent $900, $39 one-time fee for the website. I went ahead and sold a $900 course in 45 minutes, and I made $870 because Square takes 30 bucks out of the 9, which is more than fair. So I invested 939 and I made 870 back in 45 minutes. And over the last couple of years, guys, it's been a very good 1 to 2 years with this Legacy Builders program. I've been able to buy vehicles, trucks, hot tubs, all furniture. This whole house, I went ahead and just bought a whole bunch of cool stuff, couches, 4 75-inch screen TVs, and I even put a big screen in my garage with a full home stereo system. All from learning how to market online and just be interesting, how to do things a certain way to lead people to your website or your social media platform or to sell something. And if you have nothing to sell, please sell these courses. I don't want to sell anything else. I don't want to sell my skateboard. I don't want to sell anything. I got my little Eddie Van Halen doll. I always have Eddie here with me, rocking out. Rest in peace, Eddie Van Halen. I got a bunch of toys and a bunch of nonsense things. And I've been able to afford to buy some real cool things, especially for my friends for Christmas a couple days ago. And it has a lot to do with this opportunity that I'm telling you about right now. So let me go ahead and wrap this up. Let me show you my screen one more time. Right there, guys, the10kgroup.com. Go ahead and just listen to Michelle and just follow the buttons. And like I said, just go ahead and bookmark this if you're not ready right now, if you need a little bit more information about this opportunity. Go ahead to Google, to Facebook, go to YouTube. You can probably find other people that are excited and that have earned as much money as I have with Legacy. Some people, I think Michelle said the other day, 17 people over the last year or two have become millionaires by selling just these courses. They watch the video courses, they got educated, and then they just follow, do exactly what the videos say. And these courses, they're not like recorded and never updated. Every Monday through Friday, there are live meetings. You can watch Michelle. You can go into your back office. It's called the Digital Growth Community. Okay? You're going to go right to this web page here, have your own username and password. You can look at all your products, all your bonuses. All right. And then the Digital Growth Community, this is it right here where you can go live. There's people all over the world. And if you have a question, just go and ask. And there's a customer service, division with this company. But sometimes someone in, let's just say Japan, and I'm in Utah, I can just ask them a question. They'll go, oh, I got stuck right there too. I was wondering how to do that. But the community is awesome. Classroom, calendar, all right? And just watch everything. But look at that. We're at 58,000 people now. When I joined, there was only a few thousand. Okay. Right now, there's 170 people that I can ask questions to or just say hello. What country are you in? And there's a map where you can actually click the map. Do you see right here? And you can see people all over the world where they are. Okay. Look at this. Nigeria, Puerto Rico. Okay. Check this out. I'm in Utah. So let me just scroll. Let me see if I can find where I'm at. I'm in the Salt Lake City area. Okay. So what I do is I blow it up and look at that. Here's people all over the place. Right here, right now. Joining this opportunity, learning how to do things. And I'll bet your buns they're making money too. Okay, so, all right, guys, I'll leave you with the 10kgroup.com. If you need anything, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. I'm always on social media. I'm pretty easy to find. I'm a little chatty dude. All right. So I'm excited. And thanks for your time, guys. 20 minutes goes by real fast, but I love this opportunity. I'll hope you look into it. Okay. The 10kgroup.com. Thank you. click and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. You guys have a good day. Take care, guys.